I'm going to show you how to install a Code 1 face fit linking roller blinds. Code 1, that is, one control pulls up the two blinds. So in this case we have a left hand control, so we'll use the left bracket, which is the star. And I've pre-drilled these to avoid any splitting of the timber. So position them flush with the outside and the top. And in this instance we have an idle end on the right. So same thing, pre-drill, flush with the top and the side. And then we put our linking bracket. Because these two blinds are equal, the linking bracket goes right in the middle. But if you have different sized blinds, you need to put your linking bracket to suit. Now you're ready to install your roller blind. We must install the control blind first. And we'll wind the idle end out. Easy installation. Control end first. And wind it back out so it's nice and tight. Now with our link blind, control in first, wind out, link out, and position those so the bottom rails line up. Now we can install our child safety. Already pre-drilled this. Make sure you give it a bit of slack so the chain can go up and down easily. And we can put our end caps in, which just clip over the end of the bracket just to cover up the mechanism. Now we can give it a test. So you install Code 1 face fit linking roller. If for some reason you need to take down your roller blinds, with the linking blinds you must always take down the non-control blind first. Once you've installed the Code 1 linked roller blind, if for some reason the bottom rails don't line up, like so, easy tip. Roll your roller blinds all the way down so you can see your keyway. Then it's just a matter of winding out the right hand link and readjusting it so they line up. And your bottom rails